Hey, guess what?
What?
What is it?
I got something special.
Then what is it?
You ginger white hair and piece of shit and you psychopath. Diamond jerk fucking shit Vinny. Zip the lip. Anyways, I got some robot. Here it is.
Hello! My name is Android. Nice to meet you. 3 of them.
You two, take care of him, or else you are grounded.
Hey, I know what to do. We're going to destroy Android.
That's a good idea. Dismantled Vinny.
Hey Android.
What is it?
Take this. Ow 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 ow.
I'm too strong, so nobody can hurt me. Ha 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 ha.
Alright Diamond Lily, time for plan B.
Okay, time for this sledgehammer. Piece of cake.
What? What was that? Hey, why is it broken? I will better check of them. Hey, did they broke the android?
Yes. I did on Diamond Lily, too.
Whoa, you stupid ugly hacker and ginger white hair and piece of shit and you psychopath. Diamond jerk fucking shit Gale Vinny. And dismantle ginger head shit fucking Diamond. How dare you destroy the android? That's your troublemaker does. That's it. You are grounded for 838336363822929393733729933 years. Go to your room now.
Wah.
Wah.